आप हैं श्रुति के साथ on My Second Nature. And yes, as you know, this entire month we are in discussion with Alpa Kaparia Telly. Hello, Alpa. यार अब
Hello,
बस
Shruti.
बहुत हो गया ये रीराइट माई स्टोरी इतना आप डिटेल के अंदर इस पूरे महीने हमें अंदर घुसते जा रहे हैं इसमें कैसे कहानी कैसे बदले कैसे लिखें please let's talk very very real stuff now. I want us to like if today I decide yes मुझे अपनी कहानी बदलनी है like how we discussed in the last episode that we can think about it. But there are so many other narratives that we tell ourselves only. खुद के दिमाग में कुछ और ही कहानी चल रही होती है. So if I do want to bring this change about, what is the first step towards it? Practically, how do I do it?
सबसे पहले तो you had to play detective. तो जब मिस्ट्री सॉल्व करनी होती है तो पहले डिटेक्टिव को ही बुलाना पड़ता है ना कि है क्या स्टोरीज, पहले वो तो फाइंड करो,
Right.
तब जाके सीन बदल सकते हैं.
Correct.
So first we have to understand. तो उसके लिए we have to play detective. Play detective with our own selves.
Okay.
तो जैसे वो पूछताछ होती है ना जो हम किसी और के साथ करते हैं, ऐसे ही पूछताछ खुद के साथ करनी है.
Nice.
So there are 4 questions which you can ask yourself to understand your stories better.
Right.
So are you ready to listen to them?
Yes, I totally am. With like little detective glasses and like
detective glasses.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. So the first question to ask yourself is what has prevented you from crushing it? What is it? What are the reasons you give to people why you have not made the huge impact that you want to make? So that's question number 1. Okay, so that's the first one, and people should really take their time to write it. They should not do it while we are talking because they won't get any detailed answers.
I have a follow-up question already. The moment you've asked that, because the first thing we normally do is we give a list of excuses saying कि okay मैं सुबह उठ के जिम क्यों नहीं गई, तो the first thing I tell अरे लेकिन कल रात को तो लेट से सोई थी ना, अरे कोई बात नहीं आज थोड़ा बॉडी थकी हुई है, कोई नहीं आज ठान लिया कल से जाना. So there, some of them could be very legitimate excuses, but they are excuses, right? So should we also write those excuses down?
All of them.
Okay.
See, nobody else is going to read this. Okay, this is for you.
Yeah.
And radical honesty ke bina na ye exercise karo hi mat. Like if you don't want to be honest with yourself, just don't bother. Don't do it.
Correct.
Because this is for yourself. तो अगर खुद लिख रहे हो तो सब लिखो. मैं procrastinate करती हूँ, मैं hard work नहीं करती हूँ. You know, like, and usually some people have this, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, या मेरा बॉस बहुत खराब है, या मेरे
मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. हाँ,
मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. ओ सबसे बड़ा एक्सक्यूज यही है. You know, like मेरे पास I have responsibilities, मैं नहीं कर सकती. So these are all these stories.
Correct.
So at this stage, no, Shruti, we're not judging. We are just saying लिखो. Because we have our own back. So let's not judge ourselves. I mean, everybody anyway, you know, we feel everybody judges us.
Correct.
Let's not do it to ourselves.
Yeah.
So एकदम सच्चाई से अपने अंदर जितनी भी ईमानदारी है ना उससे लिखो कि क्या है वो रीजंस कि तुमने एक्चुअली इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं किया है. You know, so that's the first one. So just be honest with yourself. I mean, nobody is judging you, nobody is looking also. But अगर ये सच्चाई तुमने फेस नहीं की तो बाकी सब काम बेकार है.
Correct.
So be honest with yourself here. That's the first question. The second question is आपकी emotional habits क्या है? What are your emotional habits? Like you were saying, no, Shruti, जैसे what you said about was procrastination.
Yeah.
Some of us have this victim consciousness. हम लोग बोलते हैं अरे यार मेरे साथ तो हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. है ना? कुछ लोग होते हैं रो पड़ते हैं अरे रे मेरी जिंदगी इतनी खराब है. You know, some people get angry and they will blame other people. So blaming is a habit. You know, they will shirk off the responsibility. It's not my business. Callousness. और casualness, carelessness, all these are emotional habits. हम ऐसे act करते हैं जैसे हमें कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. I don't care. I'm too cool to care. You know, we give ourselves all these masks. कि मुझे क्या पड़ी है.
Correct.
So what are these emotional habits? You know them very well because your loved ones would have told you. तो सच्चे दोस्त होते हैं ना तुम्हारे कान पकड़ के बताएंगे तुम्हें कि ये सब तुम क्या कर रहे हो ड्रामा.
हाँ, वो अलग बात है कि एक्सेप्टेंस हो सकता है ना आई हो, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग डिफेंस में इतना घूम रहे होते हैं कि अगर उनके लव्ड वंस उन्हें बता भी दें वो पहले तो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पाते कि नहीं ये तो मेरी आदत है ही नहीं, अरे नहीं ये तो मैं हूं ही नहीं. सो ओके फेयर इनफ, इवन इफ समबडी इज एट दैट स्टेज, जो आपको लगता है कि आपके आसपास कोई कहते रहते हैं, आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं ये करती हूँ लेकिन उसका एक रीजन है, लेकिन वो लिख दो. बिकॉज लाइक वी सेड अर्लियर, कि जो भी रीजन है वो एक्सक्यूज है, देयर इज नो अदर थिंग. या ओके,
एब्सोल्युटली.
या
एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग यू सेड श्रुति, ये होता है हर बार.
या
पर ये लोग जो इतने डिनायल में होते हैं ना, वो लोग ये पॉडकास्ट तक पहुंचेंगे भी नहीं. You know, people who are also in the journey will look for things, and which
So
is
great.
why I can safely say that, you know, people who have reached here
Yeah.
will have that thing, to be honest with themselves.
Correct. Wow. Very nice. This is for you guys out there listening. This is a special compliment your way. अगर आप यहाँ हो, मतलब you need to be here and deserve to be here. हाँ, okay. Let's continue.
So that was question 2.
Okay.
Question 3 is, what is the story that you have told yourself which conflicts with the life that you believe you deserve? So
Okay.
for example, आपको बहुत पैसे चाहिए, पर आप जब शॉपिंग जाते हो ना, तो आप सिर्फ सेल सेक्शन में ही जाते हो, आप कहीं और नहीं जाते हो. क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि सेल सेक्शन के अलावा आपका तो कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. So you want abundance in your life, but you are playing small because you only want it in a sale, right? So that is a conflict. जैसे आपको प्यार चाहिए, आपको मोहब्बत चाहिए, पर आप कमिटमेंट फोबिक हो, आप कमिटमेंट ही नहीं कर पाते हो. Now that's conflicting. क्योंकि जब तक आप कमिटमेंट फोबिक हो, आपको प्यार कैसे मिलेगा? या जब तक आप अपने आप खर्चा नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आपके पास अबंडेंस कैसे आएगा? So these are conflicting. You know, हम लोग भी tell ourselves, अरे अगर पैसे कमाने हैं तो पैसे बचाने पड़ते हैं. You know, so that's a very, it keeps us very small, that mindset.
Right.
So how are you going to change that? So ये conflicting beliefs जब तक आपके जीवन में है, the universe is very confused कि आपको क्या भेजे.
Correct.
So what are that conflicting beliefs?
So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगेगा, थोड़ा सा खुद को और ज्यादा जानना पड़ेगा. So don't be in a rush to do this exercise. Once you hear us out, once you hear Alpa out, I think the one thing we need to do is take 10 minutes to think, to truly think, this time not about anything else, but about yourself. And which is where the results will come from. Okay, great. This is excellent. Continue, Alpa. Yes.
So that was question 3.
Yeah.
Question 4 is, what are the low standards that you have tolerated? Now, what is this? This is basically आपसे आपके पार्टनर ने ठीक से बात नहीं की और आपने कुछ कहा नहीं.
Right.
आपको लगा ठीक है, पार्टनर है तो उसको हक है, इतना तो बोल ही सकती है या इतना तो बोल ही सकता है.
Right.
या आपके बॉस ने आपको पूछे बिना एक कमिटमेंट कर दिया आपकी तरफ से.
हाँ.
और आपको बोला अभी तो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी है, अब तू जा दो ओवरनाइट कर और काम खत्म
करना पड़ेगा.
और आप कुछ बोले नहीं. आपने ये भी नहीं कहा कि आपको मेरे साथ चेक करना चाहिए था, या अगली बार आप मेरे साथ चेक करो, ये नहीं होगा. तो एक जो बाउंड्री होती है, you know, और people have slapped you and you have stayed in that relationship. Or people have backbited you and they still find a place in your life. Or people have disregarded you, have been humiliating, condescending, not respectful towards you, and you have tolerated it.
Right.
So what are the low, or for example, you have tolerated poor service levels. जैसे आपने कुछ ऑर्डर किया, आपको मिला नहीं आपके हिसाब से, पर आपने बोला ठीक है, अभी कौन जाएगा इतना, उसका भी बेचारे का कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा.
Correct.
So because we don't want to face conflict, we just tolerate some stuff. We tolerate a poor level of service, a poor product, or a poor relationship, or a poor career, or poor health. अगर हम अपने हेल्थ का भी ध्यान नहीं रखते, you know, we just say ठीक है, अभी कोविड है, कुछ भी खा लो, स्विगी से मंगा लो, not necessary to take care of our health. These are also low standards.
Correct.
So which are the areas of your life where you have really low standards? जहाँ आप एक बार सेट नहीं करते हो कि मेरे साथ अगर आपसे बात करनी है तो this is the level you need to reach. इससे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि you treat me like a piece of shit, or you treat me like पैर की जूती, or now all those places in your life where you have not allowed, you have tolerated not being respected, or not feel seen, or not feel heard in your life. These are your low standards. So what are the areas of your life where you have low standards?
Right.
A clue to this is all the areas of your life where you are not happy. You have low standards.
Right.
इसलिए आप उसमें खुश नहीं हैं. और ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है एक्सेप्ट करना, है ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, पर काम करना है तो थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा.
Correct. Okay, so now these 4 really amazing and very, very serious, deep questions that you've asked us, जो I think एक-एक करके जब हम actually बैठ के answer करना शुरू करेंगे, not only will they tell us more about us, but it will, I think, a lot of things will get clear just ये सवाल का जवाब ढूंढते. But now finally, when we do find that answer and we write it, you know, in that little format that you've told us to, then what? How do we go about actually erasing this, changing it, eliminating it? How do we do that?
हाँ, तो दैट इज द रिवॉर्डिंग पार्ट, यू नो. अब ये तो हुआ ना, ये जब डिग करते हैं तभी सोना मिलता है ना. दिस इज द डिगिंग. तो ये डिग करो, you're going to get the gold and the diamonds after this. Okay, so do this seriously. The deeper you dig, the more gold you're going to find. Okay, so it's worth it. So do this work, right? So dig. Now this 4 questions will help you dig के यार तुम्हारे layers क्या है अंदर, ठीक है? तो this is the digging thing. Now, after you write the answers to all these 4 questions, and they are all different aspects I've covered, now look at it and say common themes kya hai. So are you seeing common theme relationship? Are you seeing common theme career? Are you seeing common theme procrastination? Are you seeing common theme resentment or, you know, grudges, anger? What are the common themes which are emerging? Now we are all human beings, we are all unique, we are all different. तो सबकी अलग अलग होती है, कोई स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला नहीं है कि यही होगा. करेक्ट. बट यू हैव टू फिगर कि तुम्हारी कॉमन थीम्स क्या है. यू नो, दे विल स्टेयर आउट एट यू बिकॉज इट्स आफ्टर ऑल यू हैव रिटन इट ना. As you see it, you'll be like, oh, I have low standards. Or, oh, I'm such a chindi, you know, I'm so कंजूस, how am I ever going to get money? Right. और यार मेरी तो कमिटमेंट करने में लगती है यार, मतलब, you know, I'm so scared of that first breakup I had कि अभी तो मैं किसी और का नहीं हो सकता या किसी और की नहीं हो सकती. So it will stare out at you. What is it that is your common theme? So identify 4 or 5. एक साथ सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Starting point के लिए अच्छा चलो 3 भी ले लो. 3 to 5 you identify the common themes. Okay. And you put them down. Now I have a nice table which I will show you, which you can follow. It's like a format. Okay. We are all unique, but the format can be used. Okay. Nice. Okay. So one is to understand कि अच्छा वो theme क्या है तुम्हारी, what is that story? Then you have to ask yourself, यार, is this serving me or not? Is this helping me in some way? Yeah. Now, you know, Shruti, we tell ourselves stories because it serves us. Yeah. We are also not mad, no. We are also survivors. Correct. Yeah. So we also pick these stories because they are helping us. They are helping us stay in a relationship. They are helping us keeping ourselves safe. They are keeping it small. It is keeping us risk free. So that's why we adopted. But now you have realized, यार मेरा goal तो बड़ा है. तो अगर goal बड़ा है तो vision छोटा लेके तो नहीं बैठ सकते. It's not going to happen, है ना? Yeah. Do big things by just sitting where you are. Correct. I mean, I don't mean you can sit in a room, Zoom and change the world. Physically. That's different. Not physically. Yeah. But when your dreams are big, you cannot have a small mindset. Correct. So you have to grow that mindset. So you ask yourself, is this serving me? Like, do I want to continue with this? Actually be honest. And you, if your answer is, yes, boss, I want to continue, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, तो ठीक है, मत करो. But if your answer is, नहीं यार, कुछ तो बदलना चाहिए, मैं you know, I'm tired of this nonsense. Now I'm done. I'm like just done. I'm enough. Enough अगर आ जाए ना, it's a gift. वो enough सबसे बड़ा gift है. Enough के बिना कुछ काम नहीं कर सकते. Because what you tolerate, you can't change. So if you're willing to tolerate it, you can't change it. But if you say enough, then you flip that theme around. Right. So if your theme is, I can never earn money, flip it around. Abundance of money is coming into my life. Right. You know? Right. So you flip that around on its head and absorb that. Next time you come to a situation where you are going to the sale counter and buying something which you don't like much. You know, if something you love is on sale, buy it for all. I mean, why not? But ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम जाके सेल के ही आइटम्स ढूंढ रहे हो, you know, to save a penny and then you come home in 2 washes, it's gone. Yeah. Because तुमने सेल में खरीदा, you know. Correct. So next time you come to a point where you have to make that decision, make a different decision in line with your new belief. And that's how you will begin to change your stories. Very nice. Very nice. This is like you know, आज episode के start में जैसे कहा था, practically we are going to attack this problem head on. I think you have literally given us exactly those pointers how to physically, practically get into it. And अब ये हम पे है. अब अगर हम actually बदलना चाहते हैं and we want to bring that change about, you've given us all the tools, but काम अब हमें करना पड़ेगा. So which is there for sure. Okay, so in this discussion of, you know, how rewrite our story via first identifying and then changing the story, what is left? Have we missed out anything? So I'm going to just quickly show you the format so that it comes together for you. Yeah. इसके बाद है श्रुति ये कमिटमेंट, आपके 2 फ्रेंड्स जो मैंने आपको सबसे पहले बोला था, एक तो सेल्फ लव, that you love yourself enough to do this work, and the second is the willpower and the will within yourself to carry through these tools. So these two is again where we come back to in the full circle.
Right.
कि ये journey में again you have to say, listen, I love myself, I love my vision, I love my dreams, I'm going to do this work.
Correct.
And then even though जैसे वो समुद्र मंथन में जहर भी निकला था ना, तो वो भी पीना पड़ता है. So if some bad stuff comes up, it's okay. Integrate it back into yourself. You know, then you become powerful.
Yeah, yeah.
So don't shy away from those pieces of yourself anymore. Ki yaar, how can I be selfish? Or how can I be greedy? Or how can I say no? It'll look bad. Hata savan ki khata, like forget it. You know, remove that stuff.
Correct, correct.
Come into who you really are and accept it. Own yourself.
Wonderful. Wow. I'm feeling all charged up. I think the second we finish this episode, I'm going to take a paper and a diary and a pen, and I'm going to sit down and like actually do this exercise. Thank you so much for today. This has been absolutely wonderful. But of course, we're not going to let you go that easy. Bahut jaldi, we are going to come back with another episode because we do still have some more things to discuss. And if you're sitting there listening to us saying, I have a couple of questions. Please, can I ask Kalpa? Yes, of course you can. DM either her or me on Instagram right away. Details are mentioned right below our screens. And alongside with that, if you want to mail her, sari details description mein hain. Aap jaake wahan pe, you can connect with Alpa on like various platforms. So go and do that.
I'm everywhere. I'm omnipresent.
Omnipresent. Thank you, Alpa. Thank you for a lovely session today.
Thank you, Shruti. It was my pleasure.